Hi, my name is Janine Smith. I'm with the Account Team here in Salt Lake City, and we help people take care of their finances and get back on track with their books so they can get back to doing what they do best. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the different softwares that are available in accounting business. If you, for maybe an individual or just a home, you may start off with what's called Quicken, just kind of a lower, more basic, you don't have a whole lot of bells and whistles, but it takes care of the basic needs of accounting for just a small, maybe just your home or individual. The next step up would be QuickBooks, the most popular, most common. It's used for small businesses and even up to mid-sized businesses, and will help to take care of data entry, keep track of your bills, your receivables. There are several different versions of QuickBooks, ranging from about the $300 range up to even $3,000, depending on the different functionality you need out of your software. Obviously, Microsoft Excel is a very great, useful tool for analyzing data and is often used in conjunction with other software programs for being able to analyze raw data. Next, we have more advanced programs. This is going to be for your larger, more specialized companies that have specific and tailored needs and often have programmers on site that can even help build out their program as they go. These programs have greater cost and require especially advanced training.